essay question from the maxima minima. So this is the question. From the rectangular sheet of the dimensions 30 centimeter into 80 centimeter, 4 equal squares of x centimeter are removed at the corners and the sides are then turned up so as to form the open rectangular box, the value of x, so that the volume of the box is the greatest. So here the given data is from the rectangular sheet of the dimensions 30 into 80. So suppose this is the rectangular sheet of the dimensions 30 into 80. This is the rectangular sheet of the dimensions 30 into 80. This length is equal to 30 and this length is equal to 80. Now the data is 4 equal squares of x centimeter removed at the corners. That is, here at the corners 4 squares are removed here like that, and given that each side of the square is equal to x centimeters. So here at the corners the side of the x centimeters of square is removed. So at the 4 corners these squares are removed like that, and the sides are then turned up so as to form the rectangular open rectangular box. That is, so the sides are then turned up. That is, here remove the square and this part is turned to form a rectangular box. This part is closed, and here also this part is closed. Here this part is turned up and this part is turned up. That is, now what is the length of this part now? Total is equals to 80. Now here x is removed, x is removed. Length of this part is equal to only 80 minus 2x. Here also this total length is equal to 30. This part is removed, this part is removed. So remaining part is equal to 30 minus 2x. And what is the height of the open rectangular box? That is equal to x here. Since this part is turned up, that is, this is the height of the open box. This is the height of the rectangular box. That is, height is equal to h here. So I take the measurements here first. Length of the box is equal to length of the box is equal to 80 minus 2x. This is equal to L. And breadth of the box is equal to breadth of box B is equal to 30 minus 2x. And height of the box is equal to x. The height means this is a removed box. Length of the removed part. Now what is the given question? So as to form the open rectangular box. So this is the rectangular box. Find x so that the volume of the box is greatest. So given that is volume of the box is greatest, then what is the x value? Given that volume of the box is greatest, then what is the value of the x? So first I take the volume of the rectangular box formula. Volume of the rectangular box is equals to V is equal to L into B into H. V is equal to LBH. This is the formula. Now substituting the values, L is equal to 80 minus 2x, B is equal to 30 minus 2x, and H is equal to x. That is, so here, see here all terms are in x. So we take that this value is equal to f of x. So f of x is equal to 80 minus 2x into 30 minus 2x into x. Now multiplying this value here, equal to 80 into 30. 2400 into 2x into 30 minus 60x minus 2x into 80. 160x minus of minus plus 2x into 2x 4x square into x, and this is equal to 2400 minus 220x plus 4x square into x cube. Just I am multiplying all the values here. Therefore, the value of f of x is equal to 2400 into x, 2400x minus 220x into x, 220x square plus 4x square into x, 4x cube. So this is the value of the f of x. Now the procedure is to find the maximum value. First we have to take the f dash of x value. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is differentiating with respect to x here. So what is 2400x derivative? 2400 minus 220 into what is x square derivative? 2x plus 4 into what is x cube derivative? 3x square. Just to take the derivative of this function. 2400 minus 220 into 2x plus 4 into 3x square. That is f dash of x is equals to 2400 minus 440x plus 12x square. So this is the value of the f dash of x. Now to find the maximum or minimum value, first of all we have to take that f dash of x is equal to 0. This is the procedure to get the minimum or maximum value. So f dash of x is equal to 0. That is 2400 minus 440x plus 12x square is equal to 0. Now writing in order, 12x square minus 440x plus 2400 equal to 0. Now taking 4 common here, 4 into 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is equal to 0. That is 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is equal to 0. Now taking the factorization, this is 3x square minus 20x minus 19x plus 600 is equal to 0. Taking x common here, x into 3x minus 20 minus taking 30 common here, 30 into 3x minus 20. That is again 3x minus 20 common. 3x minus 20 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 20 is equal to 0. Then the value of x is equal to 20 by 3. And here x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then the value of x is equal to 30. Therefore, so these are the values of the x. Now again I take the value of f dash of x here. What is f dash of x value? 2400 minus 440x plus 12x square. Now again doing derivative, finding the value of the f double dash of x. So 2400 derivative is equal to 0 minus 440 x derivative 440 into 1 plus 12x square derivative 12 into 2x. This is equal to 24x minus 440. So this is the value of the f double dash of x. Now substituting the values of x in this value, at x is equal to 30, f double dash of x is equal to x is equal to 30, f double dash of x. That is substituting x is equal to 30 in f double dash of x. 24 into 30 minus 440 is equal to 720 minus 440 is equals to 280. 280 means this is the greater than 0. So f double dash of x greater than 0 means we tell that the function f of x has the minimum value at x is equal to 30. Why? Because the value of f double dash of x greater than 0. So since f double dash of x greater than 0, we tell that f dash of x has minimum value at x is equal to 30. This is the formula. And I substitute that x is equal to 20 by 3 here. 20 by 3 in f double dash of x. X is equal to 20 by 3, f double dash of x is equals to, that is replacing x is equal to 20 by 3 in double dash of x. That is 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. It is cancelled by 8 times. So this is 160 minus 440. So 160 minus 440 is equal to minus 280. That is less than 0. So less than 0 means we write that f of x has maximum value at x is equal to 20 by 3. Since the value of f double dash of x less than 0. So it is less than 0 means f of x has maximum value at x is equal to 20 by 3. That is the box has the maximum value. What is f of x? Volume of the box. That is the box. What is f of x? Volume of the box. That is the box has the maximum volume at x is equal to 20 by 3. The box has the maximum value at x is equal to 20 by 3. The most important essay question here, the concept is, first of all we have to find the f dash of x value and equating that value to 0. Here the procedure is to get the minimum or maximum value. The procedure is, first of all we have to find the f dash of x value and equating that value to 0 and finding the values of x. After getting the x values, we have to take the f double dash of x value and substituting these x values in f double dash of x. Substituting these x values in the f double dash of x. If f double dash of x value greater than 0, then the function has the minimum value. If f double dash of x less than 0, then the function has the maximum value at those x values. That is, at x is equal to this value, the function has the maximum value. At x is equal to this value, the function has the minimum value. We can tell that maximum or minimum value depending upon the value of the f double dash of x according to the greater than 0 or less than 0 values. That's all. This is the procedure. The most important essay question for 7 marks.